Hello everyone, welcome to the Codatta mini app on Telegram. If this is your first time hearing about Codatta or you're new to the platform, we've got you covered. You can check out our submission and validation demos on the Codatta platform. Links are in the description below. If you're already familiar with our platform and just need a quick guide to our Telegram mini app, you're in the right place. Codatta has just launched Telegram mini app with an OKX join campaign. This is also our first time introducing Codatta Vault. It is a very secure and user-controlled foundation where all the data is stored and managed. If you would like to learn more about the Vault, check out our blog on Medium. The link is in the description. Once you launch Codatta mini app on Telegram, it'll ask you to connect with either OKX wallet or choose one of the other wallets. Here's what you'll see once you log in. At the top left corner, you'll find your username, wallet address, and referral code. Right up front, you can jump straight into validation. If you're not sure what validation is or how to do it, there's a demo link in the description that can help. Under the Quest tab, it's pretty straightforward. There are several ways to earn more rewards, so feel free to explore. Then, under the Referral tab, you can easily copy and paste your code to share with friends or directly share it within Telegram. At the bottom right corner of the page, you'll see Codatta Vault tab. It'll open up this page that has everything related to the joint campaign with OKX. You can do OKX wallet daily check-in if you already have OKX app and its wallet. The third tab from the top is a quest about OKX wallet sign-in, which will bring you back to the quest tab that we just checked out. Clicking on the middle tab will take you to the Go tab down here. After clicking on Go, you'll see an introduction to the Vault, ads, and staking. Agree to the user agreement here and you'll be prompted to enter your gender, age range, and country of residence. You also have the option to stake an amount either in USDT or with your Codatta points, each with its own limit. I'll go ahead and enter a number here. The next step is about setting your ad preferences. Toward the end, you'll see a summary of the amount you staked, the final amount, and the redemption time. And when you return to the home page, you'll notice your Codatta points have been updated accordingly. Like and share this demo if you find it helpful. Let us know what you think by leaving a comment. Happy validating!